felt like you got born after a rejection? You're not alone. But why does rejection hurt so much? And why does it feel so deeply social? Let's dive in to the neuroscience behind the rejection and understand why it stings so bad.
Why rejection hurts so much?
Let me ask you this. Have you ever been ignored in a group chat, ghosted, or left out of plans? It hurts different, doesn't it? That's because rejection doesn't just hurt your ego, it hurts your brain.
Rejection activates the anterior cingulate cortex, the same region involved in processing physical pain. Your brain interprets social pain as if you have been physically wounded.
That's why rejection stings so bad. It's not in your head, it's in your nervous system.
The social burn, unveiling the mechanism. When you are rejected, your brain's reward system, especially dopamine circuits, take a hit. That drop in dopamine creates a craving not for sugar, not for TV, but for connection.
That's why you might obsess over what went wrong and why they left. It's withdrawal, the social kind. Rejection is a social burn. It's your brain's alarm telling you that you have been disconnected and that hurts too.
The science of social connection.
We are wired, literally wired for connection. Our brains constantly scan for social cues, validation, and approval. Why? Because gradually being accepted means survival. Rejection means isolation, and isolation means danger. Even today, your brain reacts the same way. It sees rejection as a threat to survival. But here is the truth your worth isn't defined by acceptance.
Coping with rejection, building resilience. First, rejection isn't always personal. People project their own wounds. Practice self compassion. Talk to yourself the way you would talk to a hurting friend. Reframe rejection. It's not proof of failure, it's feedback. It shows where to pivot, not where to quit.
And build your circle with one or two people who reminds you you are enough even on the hard days. Rejection doesn't mean you are unworthy. It means you're brave enough to try.
Moving forward, transforming rejection into growth.
Sometimes rejection redirects you to a path that more aligned who you are. It pushes you to reevaluate your priorities, your goals, your relationships. It teaches you your vulnerability isn't weakness, it's your strength. The person who achieved really big has been rejected probably more than once. They used to it, they learned it, and they grew through it. And you can too.
Rejection hurts. It always will, but it doesn't define you. You are not less because someone else didn't choose you. You are not invisible because someone walked away.
You are enough, exactly as you are. And your brain, it's learning, it's healing, and it's growing. So take a breath. You're not alone, you're not behind. You are on the right time for something better.
Into the neuroscience. Right it. Let me ask you this. This car.
റൗണ്ടില്ല പേഴ്സണാട്ടോ ഇനി തുടങ്ങി
तुम्ही नाही तुम्ही